Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I come up with one more shortcut related to properties of triangle. Let's see the question. What the question says? The question says if the angle is 120 and one of the side is 3 centimeter, then the other two sides are. See, actually he has given one triangle, he has given one side and he has given one angle, and he's asking to find the other two side, and he's asking to find these four parameters. Okay, so we have one shortcut to solve this problem in properties of triangle. The triangle is one side will be x square minus 1, other side will be 2x plus 1, and one more side is x square plus x plus 1. Okay, and s value is a plus b plus c by 2. Delta value is under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and r value as delta by s. Okay, then capital R value as abc by 4r. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, we have one node. What is the node? The node says opposite to the greater side will have the greatest angle. So here what I will have to do, I will have to find this three side. In that, what will be the greatest side will be there na, the greater side will have the greatest angle. Okay, so I will have to find greater side, then usually a greater angle will come. Okay, once I obtain both of this, my next task is substitute all this value in this. Okay, so I'll be getting the answer. So see, here I am taking x value as 2. Okay, once I am getting x value as 2, my next task is substitute this value in this equation. So I am getting 4 minus 1, that is nothing but 3. So then another value is x is equal to 2. That x is equal to 2 value I am substituting in the other side, so I am getting 5. Then x is equal to 2 I am substituting at this side, so I am getting 7. So I got a value as 3, b value as 5, and c value is 7. So I am writing this is my triangle a b c. Okay, a value is 3, b value is nothing but 5, and c value is nothing but 7. Okay, this is my side a, this is my side b, and side c. Side a will be the opposite to angle a, side b will be the opposite to angle b, and side c will be the opposite to angle c. See, among these, which is the highest side? The highest side is 7. So the greatest angle will be at this side. So the greatest angle what he has given the angle as 120. So I am writing that. Okay, once I obtain that, then second I am finding abc value. Once I obtain abc value, I am substituting those value in this equation. So I am getting s value as a plus b plus c by 2, that is nothing but 15 by 2. Then I am getting delta value. So delta value is 15 by 2. 15 by 2 minus a, that is 3. 15 by 2 minus b, that is nothing but 5. 15 by 2 minus c, that is number 7. So I am getting delta value as 15 root 3 by 4. Okay, then another value is small r. Small r value is nothing but delta by s. So delta value is nothing but 15 root 3 by 4, and s value is nothing but 15 by 2. So upon solving that, I am getting 15 root 3 by 4 into 2 by 15. So that will be my delta value, r value, sorry. Then I will be getting capital R value. Capital R value is nothing but ABC by 4R. So ABC is nothing but this value. Okay, so I am getting ABC. Directly I am getting ABC value as 7 by root 3 will be the answer to this question. Hope you understand this video. If you understand this video, and if you want me to make some more video of this kind, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel with your family, friend, and colleague. I will come up with some more shortcut of this kind. And don't forget to press the notification button and bell icon button. And if you want to know other such shortcut, then don't forget to go to my playlist. In playlist I have shared almost all the shortcut related to EAMCET and IIT. Thank you for watching this video.